Mohammad Shami to Aaron Finch. And it's a play and a miss. An outswinger for Shami. Finch tries to field bat on ball. Umesh to Warner. Overpitched and drives down the ground. And the ball is racing away to the fence. And it's gone for 4. So positive start for David Warner. Leading edge in there. And it's taken. Umesh strikes. India strikes. And it's the first blow of David Warner for the Australians. The crowd is overjoyed. Was a good land delivery. Warner tries to nudge it away. Leading edge and safely into the hands of Virat Kohli. Look at Umesh Yadav. He's pumped up here. So Warner departs for 12. And it's a beautiful off drive by Steve Smith. Just a tad fuller by Umesh Yadav. And the ball has raced away into the fence. In the air, in the gap. Jadeja is chasing it. But the ball wins the race. And it's another boundary for Steve Smith. He's looking in great touch today. Smith pulls into the gap. And it's another boundary for Steve Smith. Hammered. This time it's Finch. And another valiant effort at the boundary. So Finch finding his groove here. Drives. What a shot. The ball has been raced away to the fence like a tracer bullet. So Finch is getting into the charge now. Mohit Sharma to Aaron Finch. Cuts it away. It's into the gap. And it's another boundary for Aaron Finch. The partnership is starting to groove here. Smith nudges it away. And it's a 50 for Steve Smith. On a big stage, on his home ground, 50 of just 53 deliveries. And it's 100 up for the Australians as well. Shot. Smith pulls it away for a maximum here. He's changing his gears now. He's certainly eyeing a big score here for him as well as the Australia. Aaron Finch knocks it away for a single, and it's a 50 for Aaron Finch. He was struggling at the start but has given good support to Steve Smith. And what a shot this is. On the back foot, down the ground. Wasn't a bad delivery, but it's just pure class of Steve Smith. And slogs it away. Steve Smith. For another maximum. He's into the 90s. Shami to Steve Smith. Inside edge. Into the gap. And it's 4. And it's 100 for Steve Smith. On a big stage, on his home ground, 100 of just 89 deliveries. After the early wicket of David Warner, he came and scored a magnificent century at a brisk rate. The crowd acknowledges it, so his partner, Aaron Finch. What a knock. And it's a paddle sweep by Aaron Finch. Fun bounce into the fence. So, Australia changing gears. In the air, there's a fielder there. And it's taken. Umesh strikes again. And it's a big wicket of Steve Smith. Was a short pitch delivery. Smith tries to pull it away in the air and safely taken by Rohit Sharma.